Hey everyone, and welcome back to the fort. So in today's video we wanted to show you guys an update here of the old river country, the new progress that is being done for the Reflections DVC resort next to the fort. So we will show you this right now. We have Scott driving, Captain Scott, and of course now we have Sierra back with us because we picked her up from the airport yesterday. Super excited. This might be a little windy, so I'm going to probably put music to a lot of it. I'll try to speak through the wind, but it's just going to be a nice little relaxing pontoon ride today. So we hope you guys enjoy it. So the roof over there in the background that you are seeing is actually the barn where the percherons are. If I'm not mistaken, right here in this little, where it looks like a little lake, right here in the center, where there's grass and then there's another section, I think that's where the old swimming hole used to be. And now you're seeing the back of the barn. Very strange to be able to see all these details from the water now. They definitely cleared out a lot.
Barges to see their transport.
Oh, they're barges to transport stuff. And if I didn't mention it, today is August 5th, 2019.
Little barges.
Yep, they are little barges. But there's a dock right there. So I'm wondering if they're going to just fix up that dock and make it for the Reflections guests, for them to go to the parks. And here is what is still Clementine's Beach for now. We don't know what's going to be going on with this. But get a good view of that, because that might be changing as well. And we're gonna dock. I see one tree that's getting protected back there. Oh, so the ones that are being saved have the orange around them. That's smart. And there is the Contemporary. Can't wait to see what happens next. Oh, I can see the monorail too in the background.